Myntri ketenat PHE ke Khuborjylla Marcus and Marak. Ula pentip bagi kam kilayat bet yat renti habaya day Jingpyntrei ya New Shillong water supply New Shillong. Hakalai tarik rempang Menteri ulah Hiar hidarade ban bishar kam ya Jingpyntrei ya New Shillong water supply scheme project hakaba ula penpau ya Jing sengungu bagi kontraktor kishimkia ban pendep ya project hakapor balabu. Habakran syakilat pathai Khubor Mentri ula pentip bagi kam habaya day civil work kila dep amduna ya kalai % but kabaka jingmang ban thir ikitiar kitar kum ki pipe ki pom bat ki way ki machine kalakot amduna kandai %. Mentri ula yathu baki daw bakani ka project sam syakatha New Shillong township ka slam kadai namar kajing ban yo jaka. Uang ru bagi officer katanat PHE kira shimkia habaya day berkajing ban yo jaka bat ka shimpor hadu shisnam ban yo jaka tang ban shna ya ka dam na ka bentakan ni ka project. Mentri katanat PHE ula yathu baka project sam kan syakri ki pat ba jang ka New Shillong township bat kumbalai pu artri ki shnong ki badan hakani ka than.
The inspections for New Shillong water supply scheme project yesterday, I went to the dam site. I'm very pleased to say that the work is progressing very well, and I hope it will be able to complete as per the stipulated time. The civil works completion is at 30%, and procurement of pipes, pumps, machineries, etc. is at 90%. There was little delay because of land issues there, so our officials have gone for a negotiations which took almost a year, and there was issues of dam site also. We have to shift the dam site for the second selection site, which is the present construction site. So therefore it took almost a year with regard to negotiations for land, etc. And construction of road towards the dam site is very challenging. It's a steep gorge kind of a location there. So therefore the construction of road was also taking some time. But now road has reached till the point, till the dam site, and construction is going full swing. Almost the foundation part is completing, digging of the earth, clearing of the earth for necessary construction for the dam is almost done. Within next 10 days we'll be able to start the construction of dam. So therefore we are hoping that within this working season, to a certain extent the dam will be able to complete. At present I don't have the figure here with me, but then our target is very certain that 2 years was given, so 1 year to already spend in negotiating with the land issues and all and other challenges, so 1 year is left. We'll have to extend the time, so therefore but the company is going all out. They are working 16, 17, 18 hours a day. Just imagine 16, 17 hours a day, and they're trying to complete next year itself.